All right, guys, so I just logged into my American Express account about 5 minutes ago, and I noticed something really weird. American Express sent me a $200 appreciation credit, and I did nothing at all. Now, this is definitely one of the first data points that I'm seeing since back in May when we first heard about these appreciation credits rolling out, but it's nice to see that they decided to send me over one. In this video, I wanted to break down and analyze exactly what I did in order to qualify for a free $200 on one of the highest annual fee credit cards, and I also want to talk about how you guys can also do the same and not miss out on any of these free credits available to us. So let's discuss my own personal data points that have qualified me for this offer. I do believe when it comes to my spending habits, it's pretty average, especially for someone who owns a business credit card like this. The only things I bought recently was probably some camera equipment and studio gear for this channel, but I haven't really bought anything out of the ordinary to trigger any type of credit. So I'm actually approaching the full 1-year anniversary mark of being a card holder for the American Express Business Platinum Card. I actually believe that this is the reason why I got hit with the appreciation credit. It's only because my annual fee was due in trying to renew this card for another year. I did a little bit more digging online and was able to find an article on TPG from many months ago talking about how appreciation credits were rolling out, and it looked like they just want people to make sure that they stay a card holder. The Business Platinum is a higher tier card, and even though people can't do travel right now because of the current pandemic, I believe that American Express is doing everything they can in order to make sure that people don't get rid of those cards. I'm not sure what the exact statistics are for someone to apply for a card and then cancel it, what the likelihood of them coming back to reapply for that card in the future is going to be. I believe the probability of people reapplying for the cards that they canceled for is probably very low, and what American Express wants to do is just do everything in their power in order for people to continue to stay loyal to them and not downgrade or cancel it at all. As a consumer, I didn't plan on downgrading or canceling my card, even though I have 2 platinum cards, which is an annual fee of close to over $1,000 a year. I know it sounds like a lot, but I do find so much value in those cards, and I never had intentions of doing it, but this is really the icing on the cake. What I also noticed from doing further research was these $200 appreciation credits don't get hit on the personal platinum card. This is only for the business platinum card, but I do have some really good news for you. Also, really random thought, but I forgot to tell you guys to drop a like in this video. I don't know why I just remembered to say that, but drop a like down below in this video and let's spit some facts. With the personal platinum card, American Express is offering select users a $200 credit if you book through the American Express travel portal. Now, for many of my OGs, you will know that the travel portal oftentimes will give you a higher rate. I did some research. I was looking at some hotels and some flights because why not? Oh wait, the pandemic, that's why not. So how can you get the appreciation credit like I did on my Business Platinum, and how can you get a free $200 travel credit like I did on my personal Platinum? If I'm gonna be honest, nothing at all. This seems to be a completely random occurrence with specific card holders, and I don't believe that if you spend $20,000, it's going to trigger this amount. So let me give you some better advice on what you can actually do. If you have never called the retention offer department, you can go ahead and do that for your credit card. All you have to do is find the number to whatever card issuer you have and let them know, hey, I think I'm going to cancel this card, but I want to call and see if you guys had any type of retention offers on my account. They will check their algorithm, they'll do their beep boop boop thing, and they'll see if there is an offer on your account. If they do not have it, or if they do have it, you can accept it, you can deny it, or you can choose, hey, maybe I'll just keep the card instead. It's all up to you, but it doesn't hurt to check to see if there is a retention offer, especially knowing how generous American Express has been over the past few months. So if you're watching this video, make sure you guys check your American Express statements to see if you did get a random appreciation credit or you see that travel credit you can get with one of their cards. I received no notification at all. I didn't get any type of alert, and I completely would have missed out on this if I just decided never to look at my statement account. It's always good to check in and just see how your finances are doing, and maybe you'll have the offer on your account as well. If you have the American Express Platinum card and you do see that $200 travel credit that I don't see many people actually knowing about, you want to make sure you use it because it's going to expire at the very end of this month. This doesn't mean that you have to book something before this year is over. It just means that you have to use that credit, and you could book something maybe a year or 2 years ahead in the future, and that's a free $200. It could be a free flight. It could be a free nice hotel wherever you decide to stay. So it's one of those credits that I believe that you should all be taking advantage of and looking to see if you have on your account. Now, like I mentioned earlier in this video, I'm going to do a roundup of all the credits that you need to know about before this year is over, because many of you guys are going to have, I know for me personally, I still have my World of Hyatt credit card. It offers me 1 free hotel night. I still have my Marriott Bonvoy business card. That also offers me 1 free night. I know that I haven't used up every single credit on all of my individual credit cards, the gold, the platinum, the business platinum. It's good to know exactly what spending you have to do in order to maximize all the rewards that you get with your credit card. So thank you all so much again for watching this video. If you're looking to apply for a brand new credit card, check out the links down below in the description. I have a link to my top 10 credit card picks. And if you guys are in the boat to apply for something, check out those links down below. They directly support this channel at no cost to you. In addition to that, don't forget to check out Ebates. They give you $40 if you spend $40 within 90 days. It's a really good deal. I get $40, you get $40, and you get free cashback portal access, which gives you just free money. There's no other way to explain it. A ton of you guys have been messaging me, thanking me for that. You are welcome. There are a ton of you guys who have not spent any money and received that $40, so I need to make this announcement. If you have signed up for Ebates using my link or anyone else's link, you still have to purchase something in order to get that $40 back on your account. So make sure you do that. Make sure you activate the cashback portal. And before this year is over, I believe it's just free money sitting out on the table that every single one of you should be maximizing. Now, guys, that was my video right there. Thank you all so much again for the love. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Credit Brian. Don't forget to follow us over on Facebook. Join the Credit Society. We're a Facebook group about 25,000 members, and we'd love to have you there. So thank you all so much again for watching. And until next time, peace out. Don't know what that was, but peace.